Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Bio. First, a quick look at the headlines. EFCC sacks 27 officers for fraud. Seyi Tinubu gifts Plateau basketball tourney winners 5 million naira. South Korea seeks new warrants to arrest impeached President Yoon. And now full details of the news. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has announced the dismissal of 27 officers from its workforce. In a statement on Monday, EFCC spokesman Dele Oyewale said the officers were dismissed for various offences bordering on fraudulent activities and misconduct. The commission, however, did not disclose the identity of the fired officers. It said that their dismissal followed the recommendation of the Staff Disciplinary Committee of the EFCC and the ratification by the chairman of the agency, Ola Olukoyede. The Federal Capital Territory FCT Police Command has confirmed the death of 2 people from an explosion that rocked Sangaya Sani Usman Islamia School in Bayansin area of Abuja. This was contained in a statement by the command spokesperson, SP Josephine Ada, on Monday in Abuja. Ada said the tragic incident involving an explosion occurred at around 11 a.m. on Monday. The police image maker said upon receiving a distress call from the community leader in the area, a team of police operatives, including the command's explosive ordnance disposal team, were deployed. And now we dive into the world of sports. In a thrilling display of sportsmanship, the Seyi Tinubu Basketball Championship has concluded in Plateau State, with the Dogon Dutse Warriors emerging victorious. Seyi Tinubu, son of President Bola Tinubu, offered a total of 5 million naira in cash prize, with 3 million awarded to the Dogon Dutse Warriors and 2 million naira to the runner-up, Tudunwada Lakers. The championship, held at the iconic Dogon Dutse basketball pitch in Jos, aimed to promote unity, foster youth development, and strengthen community bonds in Plateau State. Speaking at the event, Seyi Tinubu, represented by engineer Awal Ibrahim, expressed joy in the successful hosting of the tournament and the impact it had on the local community. And on the international scene, South Korean anti-graft investigators were holding on Tuesday for a new court order arrest warrant for impeached President Yoon Suk-yeol, whose failed martial law bid threw the country into turmoil. The former star prosecutor has refused questioning 3 times over a borrowed martial law decree last month, which plunged South Korea into worst political crisis in decades. And anti-graft officials seek a new warrant for the same court that issued the first order. Yoon remains holed up in his residence, surrounded by hundreds of guards preventing his detention. Up next is the entertainment news. Nigerian content creator and comedian Mark Angel has opened up about enduring a tumultuous 2024 marked by financial devastation, personal challenges, and a career-threatening scandal. In an emotional revelation, the skit maker shared that he lost $3.7 million in a failed forex trading venture, plunging him into a crippling debt and forcing him to surrender his properties to loan sharks. Reflecting on the difficult period, Mark Angel described it as one of the darkest moments of his life. Despite the overwhelming adversity, Mark Angel credited his survival to divine intervention and the unwavering support of his loved ones. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Bio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.